Assalamu student, my today's topic is nutrition in different animals. Previously I have told you that nutrition depends on 5 events: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Similar events take place during the nutrition in amoeba, in which food particles enter into the body of amoeba by the production of photoplasm, in the result of which pseudopodia is formed that enclose the food particle and form food vacuum inside the body of the amoeba. This process is termed as ingestion. Amoeba is microfilter feeder that depends on flagellates, ciliates, bacteria and other smaller food particles. When the ingestion takes place in the amoeba, then these food particles release water into the cytoplasm of amoeba, in the result of which pH increased, that is 5.6. When the pH of food increased 5.6, then lysosome enclose the food vacuum and start to digest the food vacuum. When the food breaks down into smaller pieces, then one canal arises from the food vacuum. These canals radiate within the cytoplasm along with the soluble food particles. These food particles absorb within the cytoplasm by the process of micropinocytosis. When the food particles absorb within the cytoplasm, then the next stage is the assimilation, by which new protoplasm formed or the energy is produced by the process of oxidation that is utilized for the further activities of the animal. The remaining undigested food particle is ejected out by the process of exocytosis from the surface of the amoeba, and in the result of which the stages of nutrition is complete and animal get energy from the food. The other organism is hydra. How nutrition takes place in hydra? Hydra is the macrofilter feeder that depends on crustaceans, small annelids and insects larvae. In this, the body wall consists of two types of cells. One is musculoepithelial cell and other one is glandular cells. While here is a tentacle, and on the tentacle there is metacyst is present. Here is uncharged and discharged metacyst. Uncharged or discharged metacyst can be explained like this. present. When any organism come in contact with the cytosol that is present at the tip of the metacyst, then it activates the metacyst, in the result of which the content is protruded out and paralyze the microorganism. Hydra is macrofilter feeder that depends on crustaceans as well as larvae of different animals. When the prey sees, then the tentacles bend toward the mouth and mouth widely open, and the prey enter inside the body of the hydra. In this way, ingestion takes place in the hydra. After ingestion, digestion will be take place, and because of the action of body wall, the food particles start to break down into small pieces. And then, in this way, mechanical digestion takes place within the body cavity, which is termed as gastrovascular cavity or cylinder. And the digestion is extracellular digestion. Because the digestion takes place within the cavity, then the digestion is termed as extracellular digestion. Here, because of the enzymatic action that is produced by the glandular cell, as chemical digestion is also take place and the food is converted into semi-solid form. After the incomplete digestion, the food particle enter into the flagellated cell, and here complete digestion will take place within the cell. When the digestion completed, then these food particles enter into the ectoderm through the mesoglium. Mesoglium is the central layer of the ectoderm and endoderm. There is no another opening is present, so the digestive system is second. So undigested food particle is expelled out through the mouth. In this way, digestion is completed within the hydra. In hydra, only carbohydrate, fat and lipid can be digested, but starch cannot be digested because its proteolytic enzyme only contains such type of enzymes that act only on the carbohydrate, protein and lipid. So, undigested food particles that cannot be digested by the body of the hydra is ejected out through the mouth, and in this way the digestion is take place within the hydra.